Slama Amuhon Shubuha Lach Maren Isum Siha. Judge for yourselves whether it is right before Allah, O God, to listen to you more than to Allah. Acts of the Slihe, chapter 4, 19. The Slihaik Yetha, or Church of the Risen Yeshua Shiha, acknowledges the good found in various political parties. However, the Slihaik Yetha does not become enslaved to any political party. No political party can enslave the Slihaik Yetha. Slihaik Yetha respects peace-loving servants in political parties, recognizes their peaceful services, and prays for rulers. This is the way of the Slihaik Yetha. Even if political parties approach the Slihaik Yetha claiming to help obtain certain rights, supporting them is done only after examining whether they act in a peaceful manner directly and indirectly. However, supporting political parties that are immersed in terrorism and violence is contrary to the risen Yeshua Shiha, who is eternal peace. Whether political parties support or not, to bear witness to the truth until the end and to stand firm in the way of peace handed over by the risen Yeshua Shiha. Even if a small flock, the Slihaik Yetha has both the duty and the right. Slama Amuhon Shubuha Lach Maren Isum Shiha. Marsliva Dera Code 738.